I'm going to show you how to do lead management in free HubSpot CRM. You're already signed into HubSpot and on the main dashboard. Click CRM in the top menu. When that opens, choose Contacts from the left sidebar. This is where the process starts, because the free plan does not include the separate Leads workspace. When on the Contacts page, click Create Contact in the top right. The contact form opens with the basic fields. Type John in the first name field. Type Smith in the last name field. Enter john@example.com for email. Enter 091712345567 for phone. Add ABC Marketing as the company and Marketing Manager as the job title, because you'll need those when you build the deal later. Don't fill every field just because it is there. HubSpot uses email to deduplicate contacts, so that field matters more than the rest. If John already existed from a form fill, you'd merge the duplicate instead of creating a new record. Click Save. The new contact record opens. On the right sidebar, find the lifecycle stage property. Click the empty value. The drop-down shows subscriber, lead, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, opportunity, customer, evangelist, and other. Pick lead. That fits someone who has gone beyond just subscribing. The stages are ordered from subscriber through customer, and that order matters. Don't mark this person's sales qualified lead yet. Save that stage for someone you've actually qualified. Just below it is lead status. Click that next. The default options are new, open, in progress, open deal, unqualified, attempted to contact, connected, and bad timing. Keep John on new for now. Lead status is the day-to-day sales detail inside the sales qualified lead stage. Lifecycle stage is the big picture. Before you add a bunch of leads, settle on the sequence you'll follow. For me, that is new lead, attempted to contact, connected, open deal, customer. You just set the first part on John's record, lifecycle stage lead, and lead status new. Not every prospect follows that exact path, but having one default path keeps the CRM manageable. When those two stop matching the real conversation, update them immediately. That consistency is what makes the free plan work. Now go back to Contacts from the left sidebar, open the View menu near the top left, usually All Contacts. Click Create View. Name it My Leads. Save the view. Then add a filter. Set Lifecycle Stage as any of lead. The table now shows only contacts with the lead stage. Once you save, this becomes the view you check every day. Click Edit Columns on the right side of this view. A panel opens with available properties. Search and add contact name, email, phone number, company, lifecycle stage, lead status, contact owner, last activity date, and create date. Drag the ones you actually look at into place. Contact owner and last activity date are the two I use most because they show who is working the lead and when it was last touched. Save the column set. Don't add every possible column, it gets hard to scan. Open John's contact from the view. Click Call on the left record timeline, or use the Create Activity button. The activity panel opens, set the call date for today, and type the note, Spoke with John, interested in improving website, asked me to follow up next Tuesday. Save the activity, it now appears in the contact's history. You can log meetings and emails from that same button if the conversation happened outside HubSpot. On the same contact record, click Create Task. Name it Follow Up with John. Set the due date for next Tuesday. In the notes, add Discuss Website Redesign Proposal. Keep the task title specific enough to act on later. Save the task. This is the part that stops leads from being forgotten. If a lead has no next action, it is not managed. After the first outreach, come back to John's record and click Lead Status. Change it from new to attempted to contact. That means you reached out but haven't actually connected. When he replies, set it to connected. If he wants pricing, use in progress. When a proposal goes out, that is open deal. If he turns out to be a bad fit, mark unqualified. Do this right after the event, not at the end of the week. Still on John's record, click Email. The Compose window pops and the reply will be tracked on his record. Type, Hi John, thanks for taking the time to speak with me earlier. I'll send the website proposal over for you to review. I'll follow up next Tuesday. Keep the message short and focused on that one action, then send. The email logs automatically on the contact timeline. Now go to Companies in the left sidebar and click Create Company. Name it ABC Marketing. Save the record. Then open the association panel and link John Smith to that company. That relationship matters when three people from the same business are part of the deal. If you put company details in random contact notes, it gets messy. Put them on the company record. Go to CRM in the top menu and choose Deals. Click Create Deal. Set the deal name to ABC Marketing Website Project. Enter 50,000 pesos as the amount. Choose the earliest stage in your pipeline. Then associate John and ABC Marketing to the deal. Save. Now the revenue opportunity is tracked separately from the contact. Not every lead gets a deal. Only create one when there is a genuine sales opportunity. Back on John's contact, open Lifecycle Stage and change it from lead to Sales Qualified Lead. If the deal is real, the stage moves to Opportunity. When a deal is created, HubSpot can automatically update the lifecycle stage depending on your account settings. Don't change stages just to make the CRM look advanced. Move them when the prospect actually reaches that point. Go back to the My Leads view, tick the checkboxes next to several contacts, click the Edit button that appears above the table. Choose the property to update, select Lifestyle Stage, and set it to Sales Qualified Lead. Then apply. You can bulk update Lifestyle Stage from the Contact Index page. It's the fastest way to move 20 qualified leads at once. Double-check the selected contacts before you commit. Bulk updates save time, but they also let you change 100 records accidentally. If your current leads are in Excel or Google Sheets, go to Contacts and click Import. On the import screen, you can download the HubSpot sample file if you want the columns right. Keep only first name, last name, email, phone, company, and lifestyle stage. Clean duplicates and fix spelling before you upload. Make sure the column labels in your sheet match HubSpot's property names before you map them. The email column is what prevents duplicate contacts. Go to Reports in the top menu and choose Dashboards. Create a new dashboard or open an existing one. Click Add Report and build a custom contact report. Count contacts by lifestyle stage. Add the stages you care about: lead, sales qualified lead, opportunity, and customer. Save. That gives you a quick pipeline picture. Start with 4 metrics. You don't need a complicated dashboard right now. At the start of each day, open the My Leads view. Start with leads that have a task due today. Then work contacts that need first contact, then people who responded, then anything ready to become an opportunity. Update the status on each record before moving to the next one. Review the My Leads view every day at the same time so it becomes routine. The view is there to tell you what to do next. There is one thing to know before you go hunting for a Leads tab. HubSpot's dedicated Leads object and Leads workspace are not in the free plan. They require Sales Hub Professional or Enterprise with the right paid seat. So don't assume every Leads feature you see in a HubSpot tutorial is available on free. In the free CRM, Contacts plus Lifecycle Stage plus Lead Status plus Tasks plus Deals is the lead management system, and it is enough. Now create one more saved view while the columns are still set. Click Create View again and name it Sales Qualified Leads. Filter Lifecycle Stage as any of Sales Qualified Lead. Save. That keeps your working list separate from the full My Leads view. Then in that view, select All, click Edit, and set Contact Owner to yourself. If you skip owner assignment, follow-up tasks can show up as unassigned and become easy to miss. Give this a like if the flow made sense, subscribe if you want more HubSpot CRM walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this to other people doing lead management in the free plan.